Good morning, Vanakkam friends. Just give me a couple of minutes. I will post our link in our Telegram channel and then come back here. Yeah, posted everywhere. Good morning. The name is PLSQL Tutorials, I guess. So probably now my screen could be visible for you people. I've just turned it on. Most probably now it would be available. In the interim, I will open my commodities list where we could see, I mean, we can take opportunities if we get. We will just keep our charts open and ready. When it gives us an opportunity, then we can pitch in. Actually speaking, yesterday it was good buy in all kind of commodities, but US markets, since it was closed, we haven't grabbed anything. We have traded only in crude and booked the profits, and NG we have done some trades. Now actually speaking, copper is at good support, but we can take trade only after first 30 minutes. Let the first 30 minutes candle form, and then we will try to move into it. Crude like what we expected, it is moving higher. Yesterday itself we have given a buy around 8,430. I will open any chart and put it in my default intraday setup. Yes, this is our intraday setup. Pre-open just flickering on, and it is going another 2-3 minutes to settle. Probably I feel that pre-open could settle above 15,400, and above that, if we start trading, the first hurdle would be 15,451. Let us see. I don't know how many people are holding 15,400 call which you have bought yesterday. In fact, I suggested all my members to exit, barring the people who wishes to gamble. Another 1 minute. Yeah, we are cut. I think we are going to settle, in fact, above 15,451. If that happens, that will be very good. But we need not get excited. Let the next 1 minute get completed. Then let's see how best it's going. Please provide your view on HUL 2100 call sold at 71. HUL, actually speaking, it is bullish. I don't remember, I don't know why you have sold the call option in Unilever. A beautiful chart setup, 1 2 3 on candlestick pattern. Stochastics gives a crossover, RSI gives a RSI is turning out from downside. So I feel the stock will immediately test the 20 moving average of 2243. That is the 20 moving average. Good morning, Chetan. So the immediate test will be at 2243, and if sustains above 2243, then it could move much higher levels, at least till the 200 moving average of 2336. But for you, if your position needs to turn into profits, it needs to take a halt at 2243 and then come on the downside, because you have sold a call option. So anyways, if today's close, by today's close, if it reaches 2165, you can hold on to your position. If it's not, if it's closing about 2165, then it's better to exit your position. HDFC Twins, yesterday itself we have given our view, bro. Actually speaking, HDFC Twins, we expect further upside from here. Let me pull out the charts for you. I think there is some positive news as well for them. HDFC, for this, the initial target could be the 20 moving average, which is approximately around 2220. That is for HDFC, provided last week low is not broken. I will turn bearish only if last week low is broken. HDFC, this is for HDFC, and now we will go on to the HDFC bank chart. Over there also I could see it is a better setup than HDFC when it comes to HDFC bank. Here again, the 20 moving average will be the first target. What is that particular level? 20 moving average is 1353. Any close above 1353, you will see the stock testing 1400 levels. And remember, today is Nifty expiry, financial Nifty expiry, and all kinds of wonders will happen in the last hour. Anything could happen. Maybe it can crack, or even it can fly on the higher side. But as long as if Nifty is not giving up 15400, I think we will move only on the higher side today. But let's see. It's too early to predict right now. But chart setup says like that, and the technical level says like that. Say for example, by 2 o'clock until 2 p.m. we are sustaining above 15400, and by 2:30 we are coming below to 15400, means then it will be a fall. So I want Nifty to stay above 15400 levels if the bulls needs to have a comeback. NG is also giving a good setup for buy, but not now. L&T, L&T, Larsen. Yeah, Larsen very bad charts. Actually speaking, he needs to hold 1455. If he holds 1455, 1447 is the actual level, but I would give a leverage because this is a stock when it climbs or moves in a particular direction, it will gather momentum. Okay, so if the stock holds 1455, we can see a small upside at least till 1500 levels, 1500 to 1550 even. But everything depends upon the broader market level of 14,000, sorry, 15,451. Nifty must sustain above 15,451 for Larsen to move because the chart setup is very weak. Only if Nifty strengthens, this will strengthen. Good morning, Ayush. So market is set to open another 1 minute. Let's see how it opens and where it goes, and then let's take a call. What are our favorites doing? Yes, market is open 454.75 is the high. We could see some dead cat bounce kind of stuff in metals because yesterday they have been hammered brutally, like 4%, 5%, 6% in some cases also. So we may see a relief rally kind of stuff over there. Nifty get past the initial high at opening, but Bank Nifty alone is little bit below that level. Let us see. Just give me a minute. I will post some update of the pending calls for my members and then come back over here. Mm. How many of you remember the unwritten law of markets, which have been taught to you several times, not once, not twice, not thrice, several times? And how many of you are able to believe and digest to see the gap up opening of Nifty? It was very, very, very simple saying that Nifty ends at highest point of the day and there will be a follow up on the next day. Very, very, very simple. Only an idiot like me can teach it to his members. No others will teach it. I bet. I bet you guys. People collect fees for just giving calls of a running horse. But I never do that. All my levels will be very much well in advance, and at the same time I also teach my members how markets are expected to move. Good morning, Kunal. Entire world would have said you yesterday, no, no, today's move is one of day. Probably tomorrow we will fall again. How many of you have seen such kind of words in other Telegram channels, other social medias, everywhere else? It was a clear cut, I mean, clear cut information posted to you guys saying Nifty ended at highs of the Nifty is set to end at highs of the day. So we will see a follow up tomorrow. That's how it is, guys. Whether you believe, accept or not, that is the truth. Nobody can change it. Now a big move could come only when Bank Nifty take out its highs. Look at the way it is performing. Bank Nifty in fact underperforms Nifty, which is not a good sign. Yesterday HDFC Bank was holding. Today actually speaking HDFC Bank from the highs it has given off 8 points as of now. If he gives up, then we are in trouble. Now wait, please don't be in a hurry. Let things settle a bit. Maybe even let it come down. We can take some good trades instead of chasing and running behind anything. Let's wait and see whether we get an opportunity. Nothing wrong if we are not getting an opportunity. Let's wait and see. Guys, in the interim, if you have any questions, please do feel free to ask. We will clarify you people. Somebody asked about Hindustan Unilever a couple of minutes back. Actually speaking, Hindustan Unilever is in red right now, 0.38% in red. Our first culprit, Bank Nifty, Kotak moves into red. Even all the other fellows has come down into, dropped into lesser number of points from the opening. Look at the 15400 call is falling. The interesting fact is VIX is also falling, Nifty is also falling. We very well know that it is unusual, right? Let's see how it goes. Now the next culprit from Bank Nifty, IndusInd Bank turns red. Yesterday's high was 15,382 and it closed around 15,368. Looking at this, it is difficult for me to decide. It will go open gap up tomorrow. Okay, if it is difficult for you, please forget about the strategy. Okay, it is not a big rocket science kind of stuff. People who can remember it, you can follow it. If not, nothing wrong in it. And remember, Nifty will never close at highest point of the day. It will never happen. Say for example, high is 15,382 and closing will be 15,382. It will never happen. Never ever happen. Because the last closing price is determined based on the weighted average price of last 30 minutes. Whatever the move happens between 3 to 3:30, the weighted average price is being calculated and updated as closing price. It will not be a manual intervention kind of stuff. Everything is automated and robotic mode, and it happens in fraction of seconds. The moment Nifty closes at 3:30 p.m., before even 3:31, you will see the actual rates getting updated over there. That's how it will be. Yeah. Yeah. we mouse like very nice that Nifty dropped towards 400 zones, but it has not broken 400 and then climbed on the higher side. If things are looking like this, I believe it could be a trending day on the higher side. Let's wait and see how it goes and then decide. As of now, we have just gone with options writing on two strike prices in Bank Nifty. If it's going to be a trending move, then we are supposed to close our positions, but let me wait and decide. Things look good as of present situation. Let's see. Yeah, we have just copper, I guess. Anyways, let me do a calculation. 738, 736, 4. Are we set and done? Yes, we are done. Understood. see where is Davis. I made is 3578. Nice move in Davis lap. The one call which we have picked has given us good returns. Might be the lot size is small, but still it's good profit. What else? Bajaj Finance back above 5500. Nifty surges above 15,500. Remember the line on sand which we have marked 15,440, sorry, 51. Look at the fire the moment he stayed about that particular level for a couple of minutes. See here, he has dropped down and gone just for 5 minutes, and within next 5 minutes he climbed above that particular level 15,451. In next 15 minutes he has moved 50 points. Could be a trending move kind of stuff. That is how as of situation looks like. Maybe even 15,600 is on the cards. For that, Bank Nifty has to take out the initial highs. Yes, he has taken out the initial highs. 33,017 is the initial high, and now it is trading above that particular level. Let us see. Guys, if you people have any queries or questions, please do ask me. I'm ready to answer you people. Maybe anything related to your position as well. I'm ready to answer. 15,500 call of January, I mean June monthly expiry. We have suggested it to take it around 180 during last week expiry day. Now it is about 220. I'm just giving you a heads up. You people can book as and when you are happy. I'm not going to force you that you need to exit here or there or something like that, because targets are only for my premium members, and then I have given it to them as well. Bharti is struggling actually to move on the higher side. Luckily, HDFC Bank, I mean Kotak, as well as IndusInd Bank turned green, and HDFC Bank moving towards highest point of the day. That's quite interesting. What if he takes out 1340 and climbs much higher? Definitely, we will climb higher on the upside. In Bank Nifty, we can expect 33,500. ST move. ICICI Bank is performing good today. In fact, he is one of the top gainer among the Bank Nifty pack. Bandhan Bank is up 4.5%. The second one is State Bank of India 1.56%. The third one is this one. Mm, Look at the way 30 to 500 call is moving. Yesterday I have given a target of 700 for that one. Let me post a screenshot in our Telegram channel, then you may have a view on it. That too without triggering the stop loss of us. It hasn't triggered the stop loss. Now let's go and see Nifty chart, how it looks like. It could be interesting, right? Look at the move. Everything has turned up. He has opened above the yesterday's high. I mean the inside candle breakout and sustained and almost 150 points rally from there. Comfortably stochastic has turned into given a crossover. Actually speaking, MACD is reversing small. Probably in next 1 or 2 days, he could give a crossover. RSI comfortably moved to 36. It was at 30 in the morning. Remember, it was at 30 in the morning. 30.25, something like that in the morning. What can we see on Bank Nifty? Yeah, the bank. Another higher low setup. Yesterday itself it has given a crossover and it is now convincing from oversold levels of 10. Now when it moves above 20, the rally could be a bit fast. I'm speaking about the stochastic crossover. And RSI is also improved from 30 to 36 in Bank Nifty. Now I would say today could be a trending day. Provided we take out 15555. If we take out, then another round of short covering will come and it will take Nifty to 15650 plus. She didn't like the word almost. Just now I have posted an update to my members saying Bank Nifty whoever is still holding for T2 of 700. It is at 690, 688, almost met target. The moment I sent the message, he climbed above 700. That's interesting, right? Anyways, let us see. Friends, any questions or queries? Feel free to ask me. I'll update you people. Mm, Do we have any questions? What is copper doing actually? Actually, we have given one buy call in copper to buy around 738 with a stop of 736. If you people are willing, you may also participate, but book at your own comfort. Zinc, aluminum, copper, natural gas. 4.5. Nifty has crossed 15,550. Now the final remaining target for today is 15,600. Perfect exit for our 15,500 call. Actually, our target is 250 and it has been achieved. For you people, I'm just giving you an alert. If you are happy, you can book. Now IndusInd Bank is start picking up. Let's see. Actually speaking, Divis has get past our target, I guess. Yeah, 3600 was our target, and it has moved higher. Now we are almost at the highs of the day. So, guys, it's really disappointing that there is very less participation in our YouTube. So I will wind up the session. At least some people needs to be there live to ask questions or something like that. If people are not interested, I will discontinue this YouTube sessions. Have a good day, friends. Bye.